Listen and repeat.
Interrogative articles in English. What? What? What is the color of your new car? What is the color of your new car? What is your address? What is your address? What were you doing when the accident happened? What were you doing when the accident happened? What a surprise. What a surprise. What a clever boy. What a clever boy. Where? Where? Where does your grandmother live? Where does your grandmother live? Where were you when the house was robbed? Where were you when the house was robbed? Where did you stay last night? Where did you stay last night? When? When? When did you move to Brazil? When did you move to Brazil? When does school start? When does school start? When are they going to get married? When are they going to get married? Why? Why? Why did you break up with Talal? Why did you break up with Talal? Why was he yelling at you yesterday? Why was he yelling at you yesterday? Why is everything going wrong? Why is everything going wrong? Why were you late? Why were you late? Because I couldn't wake up early. Because I couldn't wake up early. How? How? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? How do you make tea? How do you make tea? How many hours a week do you work out? How many hours a week do you work out? How many friends have you got? How many friends have you got? How much are these trainers? How much are these trainers? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How often do you have your hair cut? How often do you have your hair cut? How often do you visit your grandmother? How often do you visit your grandmother? How far is it from Saudi Arabia to Egypt? How far is it from Saudi Arabia to Egypt? How high is your kite? How high is your kite? How fast is the new train? How fast is the new train? Who? Who? Who is that man in black? Who is that man in black? Who ate the cake in the fridge? Who ate the cake in the fridge? Who recommended reading Angels and Demons for you? Who recommended reading Angels and Demons for you? Whose? Whose? Whose bag is that? Whose bag is that? Whose trousers are those? Whose trousers are those? Which? Which? Which kind of movies do you prefer watching? Which kind of movies do you prefer watching? Which car did you buy? Which car did you buy? Whom? Whom? With whom will you travel? With whom will you travel? With whom is she going out? With whom is she going out?